but somehow you forget to close the door and door is half open. In that case, this system, this automation or whatever the security system, it. Hi all, welcome back to a new episode of Embedded Brew. Today we are going to work on a very interesting and new gadget, that is a door sensor. So in today's video we are going to learn how can we use a door sensor to create an alarm system. Whenever the door will be opened, the alarm will start ringing. So without any delay, let's kick off today's video. So for this project we need this Arduino Nano. For output, one LED and a buzzer and one register. Okay, and the main thing here, the door sensor. So this is basically a magnetic reed switch and that's a magnet. So this is how, and we will see how it will work. Let's do the circuit connection first. So let's go to our computer, and in the description you can check out this link, and that will open this particular blog where we have already mentioned all the required components as well as the circuit diagram is already given here. This is a very basic circuit. You can do it very easily. And here also we have added the code. You can download it from here. So let's open this code in our Arduino IDE, and this is a very basic and very simple code. Still, let's explain and let's learn coding. So initially we have declared the two pins, the pin D3 and D2 as input and output pins for the door sensor and relay. I have mentioned relay here because we are connecting both buzzer and LED to one particular pin. In the void setup function, we have declared the pin modes of input and output pins. Then digital write relay pin will be low initially. Then in the void loop function, we have this sensor state. So this will read the door sensor pin. After that, if the sensor state equal to high, that means the door is closed. Then digital write relay pin is low. That means the light will be off, the buzzer will be off. Else the digital write relay pin will high. That means the alert will be on. The buzzer will be on, the light will be on, and this will continue till the door is closed, right? So now choose the board. I am choosing here as the Arduino Nano pin. Choose the board as well as the COM port. It is already connected. Now click on upload. So as you can see here, this is the circuit and this is the sensor. So whenever I will remove this sensor, the buzzer is ringing because this particular part, this is a magnetic reed switch. Whenever I will put any kind of magnet near it, it will be activated and the system is off. Let me show you with a magnet. See, with this magnet also it is stopping the whole system. I am removing this. See, the magnet is here and this is nothing is happening, and I am removing this. See, so that's how this particular sensor is activated by the influence of a magnet. Okay, now let's connect this setup to our door mechanism and let's see how it's working. So this is our door model. We are using it from a long time, right? If you want to know how I made this door mechanism, you can check out this video and you know how to make it. So this is the door sensor. I have already connected here and all the circuits are here. This is the sensor part, this is the magnet. Now let's open it. Right now it is closed. The light is also off. This is not the light of this LED. This is the light of Arduino. So when the door is open, you can see the LED is blinking as well as the buzzer is buzzing. Now when the door is closed, you can see everything stopped. Let's for some reason the door is half opened like this. You can see. If you will get a notification alert like in the form of the buzzer that the door is open, and when we will completely close it like this, now the buzzer is off. So that's all about today's tutorial. If you like the video, then don't forget to hit on that like button, share it with your friends, and if you have any thoughts or suggestions, the comment section is all yours. And do visit our website for the complete blog and more projects. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit that bell icon so that whenever I will upload a new video, you can get the instant notification. See you in the next one. Till then, be cool, work smart.